Hi friends, it's Rose here. I'm delighted to announce that I've returned to YouTube after a long absence with a backlog of videos to share with you all. But this time I'm doing things differently. Anyone who has created regular YouTube content on their own before will know how time consuming it is. So this time, devlogs will be shorter without a camera, have less editing, and be improvised rather than scripted. This means that I may upload videos more frequently, but there will be no schedule. Some months I may post 4 or more videos, other months I may just post 1 video, and there may be months when no videos are posted. Everything depends on how things go. This devlog follows on from my previous devlog earlier this year. I was experimenting with dynamic shadows and lighting at the time to see how far I could push it. Although I had started getting some nice visuals from the shadows and lighting, what I was looking for wasn't quite there. I wanted the shadows to look realistic and add depth to the scenes. This was proving to not be easy with a 2D game. The biggest flaw of all was the way the shadows fell on the cliffs. Flat as a pancake. The shadows were treating the cliffs exactly the same as the ground, and this was unacceptable to me. I would rather have no shadows at all than this. But I set my heart on figuring it out. I wasn't going to give up. It took some time, but I eventually figured something out, and I'd like to show you the outcome in this devlog. But first, make sure to check out my Patreon at patreon.com/RaindropRPG. By being a Patreon supporter, you will be supporting my game dev dreams and helping me to continue bringing the world of Raindrop Chronicles to life. Thank you so much to Mr. Radu, Fantasia, and the Car Audio Guy for being VIP Patreons, and my other patrons for believing in me and Raindrop Chronicles. The game looks slightly different now, but only a bit. We still have the same trees and adorable tree houses as before. Please keep in mind that this is all a work in progress. But what's different? Well, as you can see, the tree shadows are now bending into the cliffs. This also happens with the character's shadow. When the character walks close to the cliffs, their shadow also bends. It also does when they walk past the treehouse. You may have noticed the cliffs have changed. I was rather fond of my old cliffs, so it was kind of hard to let them go. But these realistic shadows would not have been possible with those cliffs due to their design. In the end, I decided that having the dynamic shadows I've been dreaming of was more important to me than having cute cliffs. In my opinion, the scenes just look more real and tangible now. I think these little tufts of grass also contribute to this, especially the way they overlap the character as they walk through them. This particular devlog is only a showcase, but I'm going to reveal exactly how I made this possible in one of my upcoming devlogs. So don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. See you next time!